I can't believe God principal get me expelled from school forever. Because I'm very sad. So, what should I do? Wait. I got a great idea. I am calling Evil Lightning McQueen. But why? Because I got to go to school. Evil Lightning McQueen taking to me to go to school.
Oh. Did someone answer on my phone? What is this?
Hi, Evil Lightning McQueen. It is me, TJ. I got to go to school. Can I take me to go to school, please?
Okay, TJ. I'm on my way to take you to go to school. Okay. I'm going to take TJ to go to TJ's house.
Hey, Evil Lightning McQueen.
Hi, TJ. How are you doing?
It was great. Anyways, can I take me to go to school, please?
Sure.
Yay, I did it. I'm going to school. Thank you so much, Evil Lightning McQueen.
You're welcome.
Anyways, I have to go. I'm going back to school. Goodbye, Evil Lightning McQueen.
Goodbye, TJ.
Okay, class. Today, we were watching the movie theater to see Disney's Strange World. Oh my god. Here is TJ again. You late? Don't interrupt to this class.
What? I'm sorry we're late. I'm back in school in the classroom.
How many times, TJ? How many times you interrupt this school and this is classroom? So sometimes, I will never to do you going back principal's office. And you only got for 53 minutes. Sit down in your chair and do you want ever? Sit the desk. TJ, come here now. TJ, I cannot believe you back in school to interrupt in the classroom. That's it. Go to the principal's office right now.
TJ, why are you in my office? And why are you crying?
So, I was taking me to Evil Lightning McQueen to go back to school. Besides, I was late to interrupt this classroom.
TJ, I cannot freaking believe you right now. I can't believe you back in school,
I am
interrupting
going to call my
classroom.
mom.
That's it. You are suspended for 20 months. Go home right now.
Mommy, how dare you taunt at me? That's it. You are grounded forever. Go to bed now.
Your mother about this. Yes. That evil clone could take TJ to go to school. And she's going back to Radiant Springs to going home. What? My evil clone take TJ to go to school. And I grounded my evil clone. Anyways, you're being a principal. Yes. Anyways, grounded him right now.
You are
Goodbye.
grounded forever. Get your ass to your room now.
TJ, why did you do this to take you go back to school by Evil Lightning McQueen and interrupt in the classroom?
But yes I did.
TJ, that's it.
You are so grounded for 55 hours. Go to your room right now.
Evil Lightning McQueen, come. Yes, Lightning McQueen. And I got my answer on my phone to calling me the principal. Did you have to take TJ to go back to school? Tell the truth right now. Yes.
Yes, I did.
Even Lightning McQueen, why did you do that to take TJ to go back to school? That's it. You were grounded for 49 hours. Go to your room right now.